Welcome students. We have already studied our lesson that was angles. So one part from the lesson angles is bisecting an angle. So what is meant by bisecting? I will just tell you one thing. Bisecting means we are dividing a particular thing into two equal parts. I am repeating my sentence. Bisecting means we are dividing a particular thing into two equal parts. So here we are going to bisect an angle. So how we are going to do that, we will just see now. For doing this, we require an compass, we require a particular pen for writing all the initials, we require a pencil, we require eraser if we do any mistake, and we require scale, and we also require the protractor. So just pay attention what I am actually trying to do. Yes, here the question is given to you, bisecting an angle. Bisect an angle which is measuring 70 degree. So for doing this, what I will do, I will just tell you. I will take a scale. I will draw a line over here. Now you will be asking, teacher, which measure? You can draw any measure line. Okay. I will just draw a small arrow here. Fine. Now here you can see the one point is present. At this point, I will keep my protractor. I am just going to keep the protractor over here. I will keep in such a way that this point will be intersecting over here. Can you see? Okay. Now, they have told me to measure for 70 degree. First, I will draw the angle and take. So, 70 can you see over here? From here, I am going to start. When I am taking on this hand side, that is left hand side, I am going to see the inside measures. You can see inside measures are given here. So I am just going to see for 70 degree. Yes, I can found over here. Yes, here it is present. So I am just going to mark a point here 70. Okay, I will just remove this protractor. I am just going to take the scale and this point and the point which I just now got, I am just going to intersect it. Fine. So now I got my angle which is measuring how many degree? 70 degree. So my work is to bisect an angle. Bisecting angle means what? I am just going to divide it into two equal parts. So just pay attention. What I will do, I will just put this pencil into the compass. I will see that it is firmly attached to it. There will be no movement. While taking the compass, see that it is not moving. It is the firm one. So I am just going to take a particular distance. Any measure you can take. You can take this distance of any measure. Just keep on this vertex. You are knowing what is vertex. So this keep on this vertex. Mark arcs on the particularly arms of that angle. You are going to mark an arc. Arc means what? You are going to take that distance and you are going to keep here and you are going to mark an arc over here. These two arcs are there. Now just extend this distance. Extend means what? Just increase the distance. Now increasing also is totally dependent upon you. You can increase how much you want. Just don't increase too much. Just see that the distance will be little less. So you can take the distance. One arc which I have found over here. Just keep the point here. Draw like this. Just keep now over here and draw in such a way. You can see they are intersecting at this point. So this point which you have got just now, that point and the middle vertex, just join them. So this is called as bisection of angle. So I am just going to give the names for that particular angle. It is A, B, C. And you can give for the point which you have got over here, that is M. Have you understood how we are going to bisect the angle? Now we will see for one. This was acute angle. I will just show you for obtuse angle. Now it is 110. 110 means you should know it is an obtuse angle. So as done earlier, I will draw one small line here. I will just draw an arrow at other side. What I am going to do is, I am just going to take the protractor. I am just going to keep at this point. And I am just going to mark 110. So if I start from here, 110 is present here. See, I found it. I am just going to mark over here. I will just take the scale again. I am just going to join this. Yes, I got my angle, that is 110. Now, what I am going to do, again, take the compass, take a certain distance, keep at the vertex, mark two arcs here. Okay. Fine, extend the distance. At arc 1 which you got over here, just mark like this, any major you can take, and here also you can keep and just draw this. You can see you got one point here. So that point which you are getting here and this point you are going to join them. So this is called as the bisector. I can name the angle, that is PQR, and this will be point S. You can give any names. Now for 90 degree, this is the right angle. I'll just show this and you can do this exercise or you can solve this question of your own mind. Okay, you can take the measure of your own mind. Just draw the line again over here. One arrow at another side. Just take the point here, 90 degree. You can see it is right angles. You can get over here 90. Take the scale. Join this. Okay, now 90 you are supposed to do it in a square form. This is 90 degree. Now take a particular distance on this. Mark arc here. Extend. At this one arc, join a line like this. Draw a line like this. Keep at the same over here. Draw like this. Which point you got, from that point and the vertex just pass a line, and this is called your bisector. I can give you U, V, W, and this will be X. Have you understood this? Try to solve by taking more examples. Thank you.